Do you want quick access to the camera directly from your iPhone's lock screen? In this video, I will show you how to enable the camera shortcut on the lock screen so you can take photos or videos without unlocking your phone. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. So, the first thing you need to do is find and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to scroll down a bit and find the Wallpaper section, then tap on it. When you're in the Wallpaper section, you will see the appearance of your lock screen and home screen. Tap on Lock Screen. On this page, you can change the look of your lock screen, add different widgets, change the clock style, and much more. To add the camera shortcut to the lock screen, at the bottom of the screen, on the left or right side, you'll see a plus icon. Tap the plus on the side where you want the camera shortcut to appear. A page with various options will open immediately. Find the camera icon and tap it to add it to your lock screen so it's always handy when you need it. If you can't find it, simply tap the search bar at the top of the screen, then type camera in the search field and tap the camera icon to add it to your lock screen. Once you've done that, you should see the camera icon appear in the bottom left or right corner of your screen, depending on where you chose. To save your changes, just tap the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. From that moment on, when you're on the lock screen and want quick access to the camera, just press and hold the icon until it enlarges. Then release it. This will immediately open your camera so you can quickly take a photo or record a video without unlocking your phone. And that's all for this video, friends. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.